continuous curvilinear capsulorhexis. Rhexis is a tear made in ALC. Tearing a paper needs force from two hands. We can't tear a paper with one hand, but we make rhexis with a single hand. Who provides the counterforce? It's zonals that exert the counterforce. Making a rhexis is equal to drawing a circle. How? To understand that, we need to know the properties of a circle. A circle has a center, radius, diameter, and tangent. Tangent is a perpendicular line drawn to a radius at any point on a circle. Let's apply this in making a rhexis. Making a rhexis is like drawing a circle, but with a cystotome. To make a circle on ALC, we need center, radius, and a tangential force. Let's say it's a NS2 nucleus, so we need at least 6 mm rhexis diameter. Hence, our radius should be 3 mm. First, we have to make a scratch from the center and make a 3-mm nick on the ALC and raise the flap. This gives us the required radius for our circle. Now we have to tear the flap to make a circle. If we pull from edge, it will extend. If we pull from center control, we'll be lost. So, now comes the center of triangle rule for rhexis. Make a small imaginary triangle joining the edge of the flap to the center of the radius. Hold the ALC at the center of this triangle and pull with tangential force. This will give good control over the flap. What is tangential force? At any point of circle, pull the flap tangentially that is perpendicular to that radius. We will get an arc. If we complete the tear with tangential force at all points, we will definitely get a circle. Remember, rhexis is simply a circle.